So the activity is created and the XML files are created. Next is to create a service. So again, I'll be using Android's feature of creating service, Android Studio. So let's call it as GPS data service, as it will give us the GPS data. So it can be exported and enabled. So you can uncheck the exported. Since we'll be binding this service, you have to remove this piece of code which was generated by Android Studio. We'll create a simple binder called a local binder that will just expose our service. So here we will create a simple local service binder that will just extend the binder class and return the service instance. So in your on bind, as you can see, it's an override, which means when you extend service, you need to override this. Either you can return null, or in this case we want to bind our service, so we'll return new local service, which is our binder. Next, we'll code for retrieving the location. So for that, Android provides us with location manager. So location manager accepts a location listener that should be implemented in order to get the changed location. I'll skip the basics of how to get the location and move into implementing the location listener. So as you can see, we have just created a GPS data service that extends the service and implements the location listener. Location listener is used to get the location updates from the GPS provider. And we have also created a local service binder that will simply return the GPS data service instance. Let's go ahead and create a service connection that will be used to get the connection to this particular service. As you can see, we have created a main activity and a GPS data service now. Next step will be to bind the service. So for